Supermarket.
Look, Kiki, where are we?
Supermarket! Yeah! Let's go shopping!
Toys should be put in the locker first, and can't be taken to the supermarket.
Let's shop at the supermarket. What do we need to get?
Check out the shopping list. We need to buy these.
Beverages section.
Honey, what would you like to drink?
I'd like to have these drinks.
Remember to close the cupboard door.
Yay! Snack section. I want these snacks. Yay! Prepare sausage. Lettuce.
Chicken.
Yay! Flower area. Which flowers would you like? I'd like to have these flowers. Carnation. Tulip. Chrysanthemum. Yay! Cake section.
What kind of cake do you like?
Yay! Toys section. I like this toy. Where is it? Whoa! Yay!
Awesome. We've got everything we need. Let's check out.
Hello. Wrap. Flour. Bread. Canned orange juice. Cup. Cake. Lemonade. How would you like to cash?
Wow, you've bought a lot of products. Here's a lucky draw ticket for you. I hope you can win a big prize. Thank you very much. It's more environmentally friendly to take your own shopping bag when shopping at the supermarket. Great job, honey. Thanks for your help. Remember to pick up your belongings from the locker. What's our password?
944. 9. 4. 4.
Mew Mew, here we are at the supermarket.
Great! I love shopping at the supermarket. What should we get?
Come and have a look. Remember to buy these items.
What should we get first?
Beverages section. Honey, what kind of drink would you like?
I like these drinks.
Remember, fruit and vegetable section. Honey, let's check out corn. Corn, corn. Which should I tap to weigh fruits and vegetables? All done! You're great! Prepared foods. What would you like on your hamburger? Lettuce. Beef. Cheese. Cake section. What kind of cake do you like? Daily necessities section. Honey, correct. Cosmetics section. What kind of cosmetics do you need? This one looks nice. I want to get... Awesome! We've got everything we need. Let's check out. Hello! Blush, hand towel, orange juice, lactic coke, corn, cake. How would you like mobile payment? Wow, you've bought a lot of products. Here's a lucky draw ticket for you. I hope you can win a big prize. Thank you very much. It's more environmentally friendly to take your own shopping bag when shopping at the supermarket. Honey, thanks for your help. You are awesome.
Whoa, whoa.